Hello, I'm Michael. I'm the Product Development Manager for DragonWear. This is our new FR t-shirt. It's a Cat 1 5-cal shirt available in navy blue and tan. This is made from our DragonWear Inherent Tri-Blend FR fabric. It offers a 5-calorie ATPV arc rating. The moisture wicking and moisture management of this fabric is second to none. On a cold day, you still sweat when you work, and then you're going to catch a chill when you stop and pause for a moment. But by having a fabric that moves the moisture away from the skin continuously as you perform your job will help you stay dry and stay warm on those cold days. Conversely, in the summertime, when you're overloaded with perspiration, you need a garment that continues to fight and move the moisture away from the skin. And having this tri-blend fabric that's designed with one-way wicking to move the moisture away from the skin to keep you dry will make you extremely comfortable and help you as the ultimate foundation layering piece. It offers odor control thanks to an antimicrobial technology that's built right in at the fabric level. The new t-shirt is made in the United States with USA-made fabric, yarn, and garment manufacturing. For more information about this product, please visit us at dragonwear.com. Thank you.